Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on Interstate 95, beginning in Kennebec County, Maine, at mile 138 heading south. We're in the town of Clinton. The weather is good for now, and the speed limit is 70 miles per hour. We passed through the town of Benton, originally incorporated as Sebasticook in 1842. The name was changed in 1850 to honor the Missouri U.S. Senator Thomas Hart Benton. Benton had a population of 2,715 as of the 2020 census. As we cross the Kennebec River, we enter the town of Fairfield, and we're also back in Somerset County. The Kennebec River at Fairfield drops 34 feet, creating an ideal source of water power that fueled the town's industrial development. Historically, Fairfield was a bustling mill town, home to a wide variety of industries. The town had sawmills, a grist mill, factories for carriages, coffins, clothing, and marble, among others. The town's most prominent industries were its textile factories. Kendall's Mills, located at the southeastern edge of Fairfield, and Somerset Mills, situated about 2 miles upriver, were the largest operations. Supporting this industrial hub, the main line of the Maine Central Railroad ran through Fairfield, connecting Portland, Waterville, and Bangor. This rail access was crucial for transporting goods and maintaining the town's economic vitality. Back in Kennebec County, we passed through the town of Waterville, home to Colby College, one of the nation's top liberal arts colleges, and the Colby College Museum of Art. Historically an industrial hub, Waterville thrived on manufacturing and textile production. Today it blends its historic roots with a modern focus on education, the arts, and community revitalization. The town also features the historic Waterville Opera House and hosts annual events like the Maine International Film Festival. Waterville had a population of 15,828 as of the 2020 census. we enter the town of Sidney, incorporated in 1792 and named for Sir Philip Sidney, an English author. Despite being upriver from Augusta on the Kennebec River, Waterville supported a small but thriving shipyard in the 19th century, specializing in building schooners under 100 tons. Sidney had a population of 4,645 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city of Augusta with a population of 18,899 as of the 2020 census. Augusta is the capital of Maine as well as the seat of Kennebec County. Augusta is the easternmost state capital in the U.S. As a hub of government and history, the city is home to the Maine State House, the Maine State Museum, and Old Fort Western, the oldest surviving wooden fort in the United States. Augusta combines its historical significance with modern development, offering a mix of cultural, educational, and recreational opportunities. The city's position on the Kennebec River makes it susceptible to spring flooding, particularly during snowmelt and heavy rains. One of the most significant events in its history was the Great Flood of 1987, which caused widespread damage when melting snow and back-to-back storms overwhelmed the region. As we leave the Augusta city limits, the Maine Turnpike begins, and we conclude today's video at mile 108. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our channel members shown on your screen here. Please consider joining them to help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos. Membership starts at $1 per month, or it doesn't cost anything to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or post a comment below. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.